Ganito. Bayra Jude, wala na. Namugmog. Pero okay na siya. Nawasa na. Eh dapat lang. Kay padong na siya. Naay.
Volume
Mana.
banyak kok ya. Ya anak.
Sure na ko. Nga sure na siya. I'm happy for your future, pamilya. I'm so happy nga na ako diritan. Nag-judge ko ninyo tanan. Kaya ako man, judgmental. Pero jokes aside and laughters in silence, we're here today to see true love that doesn't need science. We're so lucky to experience this moment in our lives. Congratulations, Sam and Crystal, Mr. Husband and Mrs. Wife. Okay, may bigo.
Good evening everyone. So, I am Kit Dalmasio, Salsal sa high school, Crystal. So, Atal. Karon na ning gabi na. Gwapa kayo ka. Kay, si Crystal Manggod, ang ginatawag niya Permi, is Manong. Gwapo. Pero karong gabi na, ako na ng butlo ng suraha. Kay, a history, among itong ginatawag ni si Crystal sa high school as one of the boys. Like, manglaag mi, ng Alec, ng Emerson, sa mga high school batch. Kuyog yun siya. Mok nga no, sige kuyog-kuyog. So, ako siyang tawag og one of the boys, pero one of the boys na anay deeper meaning para nako. So, ang deeper meaning is stronger than a boy. Stronger than a man. Because sa tanang nakabalo sa kaagi ni Crystal, ing nakagsayop ko if di siya stronger kaysa ninyo. Diba? So, tonight, Tal, girl na So, Sam! Good shit. Sorry. Bye, Sam. I am very thankful kay ikaw, si Sam. Sam, ni Tal. Kay, kani si Crystal, pag mahubog lagi mo dagan. Ako'y tigukod na niya. Kano sa to? Last. Magway lang, nag-practice yung motor. Naligid. Tanang tao, tanang kuyog na ko. Kana ara. Ako, nidagan ako. Kay, kabalo man ko nga si Crystal, dangagin na siya. Angay na siya pantayan. Ay, tito, sorry, wala naman na hingon dito. Dili naman ko tayo, ipahibalo kay mabalakan na po mo. Pero, karon nana si Sam. Well, Crystal will be taken care of na. For sure. We can vouch. Sam, Dog, thank you. Thank you kayo. And also, good luck. So, Marto, best wishes niyo ba? Thank you.
Thank you very much, Alec and Kit. Let's give them another thunderous round of applause, please, for those very funny sharing. So thank you very much. And I think, ladies and gentlemen, that wraps up our well wishes for tonight. So at this moment of time, let us be entertained with a song performance coming from the one and the only Mr. Composer. A round of applause, please.
Hello, good evening. First of all, I would like to dedicate this song to the newlywed, my pamangkin, Sam and Crystal. Malipay na ko si Cha Nuning aning pikabalo na naman siya ako sa tuhog. And the song, music lesson. Hi, ready. She feeling careful when you walk at me into my life. The way she always prayed, even right away. The silent waves blue, the only you can hear and go. Come on, everyone, sing. Let it cry, for she's a lady. Let it dream, for she's a child. Let the rain fall down the corner. She's a little baby girl, blue white. Let it go, baby. Standing in the sunlight. Let me fall down and play. She's a tiny Be careful how you touch. She'll be awake and secret the freedom that she knows. And when you walk into your eyes, so believe it. The way she always prayed for that he should know. Silence in a room, the only she can hear, and she goes. Let her cry, for she's a lady. Let her dream, for she's a child. Let the rain fall down upon her. She's a baby trouble flower, going wild. For she's a lady. Let her dream, for she's a child. Let the rain fall down upon her. She's a baby gentle flower, blue white. Gentle flower, blue white. She's a baby gentle flower, blue white.
There we go. Thank you very much, sir, for that beautiful song rendition. Let's give them another round of applause, please. Thank you so much. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are almost at the end of tonight's event. Let's do an energy check first, no, just to see if everybody is still here with me. Hep hep! Hooray! One more time. Hep hep! Hooray! There we go. So, I think, ladies and gentlemen, before we wrap up, we have 2 prizes, no, for some of our guests. So we'll have a very quick trivia